use algebra to show that the recurring decimal 0.26 recurring is 4 out of 15. So this is a standard sort of problem. So you've let x be equal to 0.26. That means that x is equal to 0.2666 carrying on forevermore. If I now work out 100x, that will make this side become 26.6666. And then if the idea is you've got to try and line up all the sixes. So to do that, I will need to multiply this one again by 10. So 10x will be equal to 2.66666. And then if I now worked out 100x minus 10x, I'll get 2 minus 0, which is 2. 6 minus 2, which is 24. And then 6 minus 6, 6 minus 6, these will all cancel each other out. That now means I have 90x, 100x minus 10x, is equal to 24. And therefore x will be 24 out of 90. And x was my original number, 0.26 recurring. These can be cancelled dividing by both the numerator and the denominator by 6. So we should cancel down, which is going to give an answer of 4 out of 15. So I've shown that 0.6 recurring is 4 out of 15. It says use algebra, so all this working needs to be here in your solution. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to turn a recurring decimal into a fraction. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.